ASUS ZenBook Pro 14 Duo 14.5-inch 16:10 touch display, 120Hz refresh rate. ScreenPad Plus, Intel i9-13900H CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Windows 11 Home, Tech Black, UX8402VU. Next generation ScreenPad Plus, a 12.7-inch, full-width secondary touchscreen with re-engineered tilt mechanism AES Ultra, which increases the angle of tilt for comfortable touch operation and reduces the visual separation between ScreenPad Plus and the main touch screen. AS96T. About this item: main display, 14.5-inch WQXG Atlas, 2880 by 1800, 120Hz refresh rate Nano Edge touchscreen, with an expansive 16:10 aspect ratio. The main touchscreen is Dolby Vision certified and Pantone validated to ensure accurate color rendering. ASUS Pen 2.0 stylus support with 4096 pressure levels for interchangeable pen tips and fast USB-C charging. Discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, 6GB GDDR6 VRAM. 8th generation Intel Core i9-13900H processor, 2.6 GHz. 24 MB cache, up to 5.4 GHz, 14 cores, 20 threads, and Intel Iris Xe graphics.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.